Ready to unlock all the Befunky features? Here's how to create an account in just few seconds. First, open the Befunky app or go to www.befunky.com on your computer. Now, tap Sign Up on the home page or login screen. You'll see multiple sign-up options like Google, Facebook, Apple, or with email. To use email, enter a valid email address and create a strong password. Tap Sign Up or Create Account. Befunky might ask for email verification. If so, check your inbox and click the verification link before proceeding. Once confirmed, you are in. Your account is now ready to save projects, access tools, and sync across devices. Use an email you regularly check. That way you won't miss update announcements or saved work alerts. Did you create your account with email or social login? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.